Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay. For reductive amination, what you're basically going to do is you're going to take some ketone or aldehyde, let's say it's got R and R prime groups, you're going to react it with primary, secondary, or just ammonia, uh, amine, and then through a variety of other transformations, you add some acid, and then eventually what you're going to make is an imine, and then you're going to use a reducing agent. Effectively, what you're going to do, though, let me just draw this. Is take whatever ketone or aldehyde you had before, and it's going to end up just being attached to a nitrogen. So, like everything but the oxygen, right? So, like that. That is what reductive amination will do. Okay. So if we want to think about this in terms of going backwards, we're going to look at this molecule that we've got. We've got this nitrogen that's got a bond right there, and it's got another bond like this, and then it's got a hydrogen. So this means that at some point we had a ketone, or more specifically, an aldehyde that looked like that. Right? Do you see how this carbon and this carbon are that carbon and that carbon, just following this pathway, right? So essentially, we started with this, and then added ammonia, which would give us the aminium. And then we acidified it to get the aminium salt. I just forgot that. And then if we react it with a very specific reducing agent, that is sodium borohydride cyano. I'm not exactly sure how to say it, but I'll just draw it out. This reducing agent will only reduce aminium salts and it won't reduce the ketone. So if we have any ketone left over, it won't be reduced. Or, we can add it to start with. It's fine. So that's why we use this particular reducing agent. And when we're done, we get the following. Okay. Well, now we have this, and we can react it with another molecule, right? Because basically, when we added ammonia here, we could add ammonia or we can add a primary amine. So RNH2 also works. And this is RNH2, right? So then we'll add some aldehyde. We'll get the aminium or imine again. So for now, this will be like that. We'll acidify it, get the aminium salt. And then finally, we have the reducing agent. Does that look like the starting material or product that we needed to make? Yes. Well, plus there's the hydrogen here. So yeah, that's how we can use reductive amination to make the following amine. Just continually doing reductive amination on acid aldehyde.